This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Tiida headlight. First, prioritize safety by turning off your vehicle and engaging the parking brake. You'll need a few simple tools: a flathead screwdriver, a new headlight bulb, either an H4 or H7 depending on your model, and some clean gloves. Wearing gloves is crucial to prevent oils from your skin from touching the new bulb's glass, which can significantly shorten its operational life. Now, let's access the bulb. Pop open your Nissan Tiida's hood and look behind the headlight unit. You'll see an electrical connector plugged into the bulb housing. Gently press the small tab on the connector and pull it straight off. Next, you'll find a round rubber dust cover. Carefully peel this cover away from the headlight assembly to expose the bulb's base. This step provides clear access to the bulb itself, preparing it for removal. With the dust cover off, you'll see a metal retaining spring holding the bulb in place. Push this spring down and to the side to release it, then carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Remember to handle the new bulb only by its base, avoiding the glass. Align the new bulb's tabs with the slots in the housing and gently push it in until it's seated firmly. Finally, re-engage the metal retaining spring to secure the new bulb. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb, ensuring it clicks into place. Then, carefully replace the rubber dust cover, making sure it forms a tight seal to protect against moisture and dirt. Before closing the hood, turn on your Nissan Tiida's headlights to confirm the new bulb illuminates correctly. Once confirmed, close the hood and remember to dispose of your old bulb responsibly. You've successfully changed your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.